Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mrs. Dini Kurnia Irawati, as a lecturer in English for Business. Fresh and graduate, their last pray to the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His grace to all of us. Salawatan greeting may always be poured out to the Prophet Muhammad SAW. In this discussion, our group will raise one material from the 3-in-1 program, namely the appreciation of a professional business. I am Dinaraza Dianti as the moderator. We guide the discussion with other group members. First being Putriana Swijaya, option number 3, Feby Permatasari, option number 4, Saptin Indi, option number 7, and Agnes Dival, option number 24. The series of even the discussion context, first opening, second presentation, and then closing. We just entered the first event, namely the opening, by saying Basmalah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The next event, the presentation of the material. I invite the presenter to directly deliver their presentation.
About appreciations. Appreciations in the number one thing they can show some of their professionalism in business. For the reason, many Indonesian companies recruit their employees to the family. However, employees of workers are experienced to dress, appreciate, and show humility when is a cultural value of Indonesia. Next slide. The word grooming means 1. A need, organized, clean, and playing to the eye. 2. Match, suitability, or similarity between a super element in order to project a complete integration. 3. Humor, harmonious, scene, and match.
The word appearance includes aspects of one, the body, physical condition, appropriate height and weight, no more and no less, clean, well-maintained, and fragrant. 2. Make up, not too much, but also not too natural. In such a way as to produce in harmonious and neat appearance. Next. What is personal grooming? Personal grooming is the overall appearance of oneself that is well managed so that it looks neat, polite, and in accordance with the placement carried out by men and women. When we enter the world of professional work, one must pay attention to appearance. In the business world, not only has good communication, but appearance is also very important. Attractive appearance can make you judged to have high credibility and integrity. Of course, this will affect the opportunities that we will get in the world of work to be more wide open, especially if it is supported by the skill we have, which later on our colleagues and business relatives will respect ourselves more in the business world.
Okay, next I will explain about what are the benefits of grooming. Is one way to increase self-confidence. When we take good care of ourselves, we will have a good self-concept of ourselves. From there, self-confidence grow. In the world of work, whether working on screen or outside, meeting new people or not, appearance is important. Appearance can also affect people's judgment of use, because in the world of work, personality branding is not only the brand that is used, it is also important. There are several more benefits of personal grooming.
Then I want to tell about benefit of personal grooming. One is more confident, and then positive impact on the company, then positive impact for personal, and the last for of self-care. And the next slide, I want to tell about personal appearance standard in the business world. One is work identity. For example, a banking salesperson uses codes that are inserted into lower and extra. And then company identity. For example, the uniforms used by factory works. Usually each factory has uniform characteristics that distinguish it from other factories. For example, a perfect cigarette factory that has the identity of a seat with a red and yellow pattern. And last, I want to moderator.
This is our group discussion this time. Let's close this session together by saying Hamdalah Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. As a moderator, I would like to thank you, Ibu Dini. I also apologize if there are mistakes, whether intentional or not. This is all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.